That sounds to me like you do a good job. Just stay with it and make sure you comb through.
Comb through. We got combed out.
Huh? What do you mean?
Them take way off, Miss Brissett. Miss a big man come with a different set of man. And take way off.
Mr. Big Man? Don't tell me says Daily at about.
Him same one. And him bring a whole crew. And trust me, none of them no look ready. Some of them, you ever see Fieldsbury? I saw some of them big. You ever see Michelin tire? I saw some of them big. Not one of them look like they're ready.
So him carrying a whole different team. So where you up to, Daily?
Oh yes, myself.
We're just in a good mood.
Oh, I feel the Christmas breeze. Boss in there?
Yeah, she and Stinger.
Alright. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry for being late. It's your fault.
How we go?
You see, next time you have an assignment like that, call the fire brigade and call the regulars.
Call fire brigade? But me here says a fight.
Fight? There was no fight. There was a broke foot, and that was round 1. Round 2 was a fire.
No man, wait. Give me a report on this.
Yeah, me confused and curious. What one?
Some man and woman catch up. Them end up in a fight. The man broke her foot. Him do some time feet. She never pleased, obviously. She got the man house, She broke the house. Then guess what? She light it after.
Jesus Christ.
So instead, Bossy called fire brigade, and me she called. So by the time me if reach up there now, the residents in the area call regulars. Me go up there go see them, but guess what? The woman gone up now a hill, and she have 5 policemen on the flat. At BN, be a big stool. And guess what she up there say?
Don't tell me. One by one, uno come up with you. One by one.
Gotcha. Bossy, you see how the internet can influence people?
Tell me a joke here, man. You serious?
Brother, I'm serious as a judge. So even me have to do now, brother.
I want to talk about one by one come up the hill. One by one, you come up the hill.
Hello. We get a report. Go have a seat.
So as me I say,
Wait. Start over.
Favor idiot.
Idiot.
as me I say, bossy, me have to find a way now to go wrong and reach up on the hill because the 5 brother them turn fool. So what me do? Go to 2 yard and climb 2 3 with connect. Just use that and go cross. And goalie did the team, me have to jump all the goalie star.
It's a full-fledged adventure.
So you turn MacGyver and Tarzan in a one.
Yeah. So what you talk about?
You come a meeting early.
Yeah. Also, listen. Go China good. So what you know? After me reach out there and hold on for and thing, everything good now. Me here say, me have to go help out fire. You want to see what it was. I know what other guy people in place that.
That's why you come in and stink of smoke.
Yeah, cause you tell me about meeting and you never have no time for me.
Tell me something. You never give away your identity.
No man, me just tell them some used to live in the area and me know it's one back entrance up there so over a gully. So me just go around there and maybe dress some promotional clothes and something. So me good.
Alright, so we can start the meeting now. If the story finish, a story women don't know about.
Alright, guys. Alright, so as you know, Mr. Mullins was in the country and he came up to get some rest and stuff, but he has now been deployed back to the country. We have a number of things to take care of, and we need to execute them as such, even though he's not here, and still report to him. Tonian, you got to German?
Yeah, him come and collect the laptop.
German, come here. Him come inside here.
Me see when I exit, so you can just tell her, come here.
Me just tell her, say him come here.
But him come here specifically to you. Bossy, you want to say man slick.
Hold on. Same German. When I come out of the control room,
Yeah, me just tell him to come here and collect the laptop. And him collect it and gone.
How long him say before you get it back?
In 2 days.
Alright. Make sure it's 2 days, because we need to get the information off of the phone then. The Spanish Town thing is a little bit more serious than we expected. Whisper, you have to take one more for the team.
What do you mean? With what?
You have to get close to Vicious Bartender.
so whisper. How she look? She look good?
She can pass. Alright. Bossy, why are you doing this again?
Don't worry, you're not alone. I have been commissioned to get close to numbers. Don't say a word.